Hey Bianca, good to see you again. I hope you're having a good week. The other day I was watching television and a commercial came on from a large financial institution that's known for investing. And they were talking about a retirement income plan and guaranteed income. You and I both know that an investment firm, the only way that they could really talk about guaranteed income is if it was an annuity. Based on your experience in using an annuity in a retirement income plan, what have you seen? Number one, the benefit of having a plan to show your client.
I think the benefit of having a plan is it helps a client to visualize how are they going to responsibly utilize their assets that they spent a lifetime saving for and turn that into an income that they're strategically taking. And a plan, again, helps them to visualize it through a 25, 30-year retirement, Jody.
Absolutely. And in addition to that, I know you often will show a plan with and without the use of an annuity to create that stability. What have you seen to be the outcome of both options?
Well, more often than not, utilizing an annuity for that income portion that they need allows a lesser amount of their overall portfolio to be allocated to income generation. So
Wow.
if you take a look at a portfolio, let's say it's $2 million, and you look at what can annuity bring to the table, maybe their income need is going to be solved with $500 to $600,000 worth of income. So they know that they're never going to run out of income, and then they can then utilize the rest of their retirement savings to enjoy their retirement.
Yeah, no, it's really surprising how that works out. More stability, more sustainability, and less dollars to accommodate it. Well, if you don't have an income planning tool, you need to reach out to us. We have a tool that we've been using for almost a decade now, and it really easily, succinctly demonstrates to a client the power of you and the power of having a plan. Thanks, Bianca, for your time, and I appreciate your insights.
Thanks, Jody.